How to install Skyglass on Firestick. Now, since Skyglass is not available via the Amazon store, all you want to do is to use the downloader app. Now, go into the homepage of your Firestick TV, and on the search box, use that. Just simply type in downloader, and then downloader should pop out. So on the downloader app, all you have to do is to use a specific code, or you can directly search and look for Skyglass. Now, if you're going to be using Downloader and search for anything, it will automatically provide you a download link. So just simply type in Skyglass and you will be redirected and be provided with a downloadable link of Skyglass. Once Skyglass is visible on your end, all you have to do is to tap on that blue link and it will automatically install by itself. And what it should be saying is file download progress on a specific megabytes. Once the download is completed, just simply tap on install. And then once it is installing, do not interrupt anything from that so it won't crash or any bugs that will happen upon on the installation process. And once it is installed, all you have to do is to open the application. And there you go. You have yourself Skyglass on Firestick. And that's basically how you install Skyglass on Firestick.